Hey guys, Scott with Home Perfect Restoration. What I want to talk to you guys about today is these THC Grow Operations that you're seeing all over the news. It's becoming extremely popular and prevalent in our area. Last report I got was over 1,500 homes were busted having these grow operations where a renter comes in, they use the whole house as an operation to grow their marijuana, and they create an extreme amount of damage to the home. We've seen the damage exceed over $300,000-$400,000 at times, messing with the electrical, the insulation, the subfloor, the cabinets. Like literally the whole house is used to grow marijuana. In these situations, a lot of people don't know what to do. So that's where we come in. We can guide you on how to restore your home. So what can you do as a homeowner to protect yourself? If you're local and you have rental properties, just stop in and make frequent checks, 3-6 months, and see if anything suspicious is going on. If you're not local, hire a property management company. Make sure that they're doing frequent checks. If you can stop these operations early enough, the damage is pretty minimal. But when they're renting these homes for a year or 2 years, it's significant damage. And they're always picking the biggest homes because they can get the biggest amount of production. If you have any questions, give us a call, 951-303-1333.